Now, this is one of my favorite piano benches because it's very easy to move around. It has a flat surface free of any buttons. That way I don't have any distractions about where precisely I'm sitting at the piano. I always orient this piano bench flap on this side so that when I'm adjusting the piano bench position from this side, I don't smush my fingers on the lid of this piano bench. This piano bench is from Yamaha and it's by far one of my favorite piano benches. The reasons why I like it most is because it's lightweight, has a flat surface, I can put a few things in it, and it just looks nice. Now, what could be better about this bench is if it was a bit wider. That way it would be easier to play duets. However, if you're one piano player and you're the only one playing at the piano, then this is plenty of space for one pianist. I recommend that if you're intending to do duets on your piano, that you get a wider piano bench. I hope you enjoyed my review of one of my favorite piano benches.